Welcome to this walkthrough of subcontracting plan reporting within SAM.gov. This session will guide you through creating and editing summary subcontracting reports. To access the Entity Reporting Workspace, review the role requirements for contractors at SAM.gov/ESRS. Log in to SAM.gov and navigate to the Entity Reporting Workspace. This section focuses on creating a summary subcontracting report when there are no eligible or drafted/submitted reports showing. If the eligible summary and draft submitted widgets show 0 reports, click the Create New Report button to launch the data entry form. Once the form launches, review the instructions page. Click Next to proceed to the Report Details page. On the Report Details page, select the submitter and the subcontracting plan type. This will enable you to select the reporting fiscal year. For a DoD comprehensive subcontracting plan, you must select both the reporting fiscal year and the reporting period. Selecting the fiscal year or period allows for the selection of the entity UEI. Selecting the entity UEI auto-populates the entity details and enables the Does this report include multiple entities question. If your report includes multiple entities, selecting Yes enables the Select Additional Entities picker. Selected additional entities are reflected in the Additional Entity Details section. The next page depends on the subcontracting plan type. Selecting Individual moves to Cumulative Actuals Details. Selecting Commercial or DoD Comprehensive moves to Goals and Actuals Details. Validation rules are available on FSD.gov. For individual cumulative actuals details, use the Select Department/Independent Agency picker to look for and add departments. Enter actuals whole dollars for business concerns and small business categories. Total and actuals percentage are auto-calculated. For commercial goals and actuals, use the Select Department/Indie Agency picker to select departments and enter their percentage allocation. Enter goals whole dollars and actuals whole dollars for business concerns and small business categories. Goals percentage and actuals percentage are auto-calculated. For DoD Comprehensive, department allocation does not apply. Enter goals whole dollars and actuals whole dollars for business concerns and small business categories. Total goals and actuals percentages are auto-calculated. After completing the goals and actuals, you must enter any necessary remarks in the designated text box. On the Certification Details page, complete the information for the individual who administers the subcontracting program. Then, certify the report information and data by checking the box under Certification. The Review and Submit page displays all the data you have provided for review. You can edit validated data or review fields with errors, which will show Needs Review in red. The Submit button is enabled after successful data validation. Clicking Submit prompts a confirmation window. Click Submit Report to finalize the submission. Upon successful submission, you will receive a success message and an email notification confirming the report submission. Now we will review the process for creating a summary subcontracting report from eligible reports. If the eligible summary widget shows retrieved reports, click the See All button to go to the results page. The page will default to show eligible records for the current fiscal year. Select a different fiscal year under Reporting Fiscal Year, or use the filters as needed. Click Reset to clear your selections. The eligible records are displayed based on your filter selection. Click the 3 vertical dots next to an eligible record to open the Actions menu, and select Create to start the report. The data entry form launches with the Instructions page. Review the instructions and click Next to navigate to the Report Details page. The Report Details page will pre-populate some data from the eligible record. Continue to complete all the pages and submit the report as previously outlined. For DoD Comprehensive plans, select the Reporting Period in addition to the other details. Then complete all pages and submit the report. Next, we will cover how to manage draft and submitted reports. If the Draft Submitted widget shows retrieved reports, click the See All button to navigate to the results page. Draft and submitted records for the current fiscal year will display by default. Adjust the reporting fiscal year or filters as necessary and click Reset to clear selections. On a draft report, click the 3 vertical dots to open the Actions menu. You can choose Edit to launch the data entry form and complete the report, or Delete to remove the draft report. For submitted commercial or individual reports, click the 3 vertical dots to open the Actions menu. You have options to view, correct submitted report, or delete the report. If you select Correct Submitted Report for a commercial or individual plan, you will trigger an alert. Click Continue to advance to the Instructions page. Continue to the Report Details page. The data entry form will include pre-populated data, which remains editable. Complete all subsequent pages and submit the corrected report. For submitted DoD comprehensive reports, click the 3 vertical dots to open the Actions menu. You have options to view, correct submitted report, create a new reporting period, or delete the report. For DoD comprehensive reports, selecting Correct Submitted Report or Create a New Reporting Period will trigger an alert. Click Continue to advance to the Instructions page. Continue to the Report Details page. The data entry form will include pre-populated data, which remains editable. Complete all subsequent pages and submit the corrected report or the new reporting period report. This concludes the Subcontracting Plan Reporting Summary Subcontract Reports walkthrough. For more information, please visit SAM.gov/ESRS.